Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we are continuing the discussion of kinetics with a focus on curvilinear motion. Recall from chapter 2, we have three coordinate systems we can use: rectangular coordinates, normal and tangential coordinates, and polar coordinates. With Newton's second law, F equals to ma, plus all equations we derived in chapter 2, it is really a matter about how we are going to apply those equations after evaluating the force on the object and determining which coordinate system is suitable for that situation. When using rectangular coordinates or the xy system, we always want to break things into x and y direction and analyze them separately with f equal to ma, or break it into sum of fx and sum of fy, and then that will give you ax and ay. If we want to use normal and tangential coordinate system, or the NT system, we will then break everything into the n and t direction. Keep in mind that the n positive direction should be set to pointing toward the curvature center, and t positive is usually, set to be the same direction as the moving direction is known, because sometimes you don't know where the object is moving, so then t can be either this way or this way. Same as before, once the forces are broken into the NT directions, we'll apply F equals to ma and other equations accordingly to get AN and AT. Lastly, the polar coordinates, instead of repeating myself again, the concept is the same. Break forces into r and theta directions and apply F equals to ma accordingly. Here you have sum of Fr and sum of F theta. As the purpose of this video is really just to guide you with reviewing the concept, we will be doing a lot of practice problems in lecture to see the application of all those three different coordinate systems in action. For curvilinear motion, I made this list of general procedures for your reference. Again, this is an intentionally exhaustive list to get you started. Once you do more practice, you should be able to come up with your own optimized procedure of doing things. Generally speaking, step 1, identify the motion type. Is it straight line or curve? Number 2, choose proper coordinate systems. Now you have 3 systems that you can choose. 3, draw free body diagrams. 4, force summation. Number 5, apply Newton's second law. And finally, apply motion equations as needed. You can either use scalar form or use their vector form. This recommended further readings concludes this video. It's a short video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.